Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I have some $1 million YouTube cash cow channel ideas for you. This is really interesting. Never shared anything like this on the channel before. There's so many different niches and channel ideas out there that we can go and analyze and begin to reverse engineer different channels that have become successful, that are making millions of dollars, and they have millions of subscribers. Now, I'm not saying that you can go and just build this and overnight you're going to be making the amount of money from doing this, right? And most people that actually do get started with this, they take action, but they give up too early and they never actually get to see anything of monetary value, any money come from this. So the key is, if you're going to go out after this stuff, is the persistence and consistency factor. You have to believe that it can happen for you, that you can turn your channel into making money on YouTube, and you want to continue to work at it on every single day. And you could come out and begin a channel like this. So this one, let's get into it, is going to be making a history channel. In this one particularly, Simple History has 3.5 million subscribers, and they go out and they do a lot of, they mostly talk about stuff in war history in the world. So really talking about different facts and history that have happened with war. But you could be sub-niche down. They've done a great job at sub-niching down instead of just talking about everything under the sun, which is going to, you're going to have a hard time capturing those passionate subscribers that want to watch your stuff. You want to sub-niche down, and that's what they did. They talk about history, war history, but you could talk about history of anything else, any other topic. So Simple History, learn history in no time. So check this out. I was actually coming over here, and you can see a lot of their stuff. Soldier, you can tell that that's one of the biggest niches. Men of Valor, and so forth. World War II, they have a whole playlist of World War II, and then history of the world, plagues and diseases and things like that. So it's somewhat niched down. This one right here stands out. It's not quite about war or anything like that, but it just kind of struck my attention when I was scrolling through here and looking at this channel. First of all, it got a lot of views, 197,000 views. Its pilot sucked out of an airplane mid-flight, and this was British Airways flight 5390. I believe it was back in 1990. You can see every one of their videos is getting hundreds of thousands of views. Okay, we'll go and check out Social Blade in a minute, but if we come through here and just check out this pilot sucked out of an aircraft mid-flight, and you can just see a little bit of this.
Pilot sucked out of an aircraft mid-flight. British Airways Flight 5390. In the early 1990s, British Airways jet airliner, which was an updated model of a 1960 in the 3-2 seat configuration. And on this flight, the aircraft was only 2/3 full.
So as you can see, they're building a lot of like momentum and suspense. They've turned this video into like having some thriller type aspects to it. And it's just very suspenseful, and the animations are really, really good. Now you can go and outsource this. Doing an 8-minute video with this high quality amount of animations is, I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you. It's going to be expensive. It's probably going to cost you between $100 to up to $500. I would say, being honest, a video like this, if you outsource this on Fiverr, would cost between $100 to $500 per video. So this one, if you're going to outsource, is going to be something that you're going to have to have the funds to invest in. Or I'm going to show you, stay tuned, I'm going to show you how you could build these videos yourself and save a bunch of money, and you would just be investing your time into creating the videos. Let's watch a little bit more of this video where the action actually takes off right here. Here we go.
As one of the flight deck windscreens unexpectedly blew out. The pilot, Captain Tim Lancaster, was forcibly dragged from his seat as the aircraft's flight deck abruptly decompressed. Lancaster was sucked headfirst through the missing window panel, located at the front left of the cockpit. By some miracle,
and there you go. So it just gets better and better. Now you can tell there's background noises. There was the screaming added. I mean, there is some really, really good elements of creativity and artistry and creativity going into these videos. You may you can learn how to do this. There will be a learning curve, but just kind of getting those idea generation, idea generation flowing in your head that this is possible. Now, again, you can go to Fiverr and start looking for people. You might be able to find people that will do similar for around the $100 mark, which would be really, really good. But you have to keep in mind how long it takes to create a video like this. An 8-minute video with this much intricate details, very custom animations, is going to take some time. It's going to take some time to build these videos, but super, super cool. While we're on this one, let's go and check out how much money this one makes. So we're over here on Simple History and it's Social Blade. They have 3.51 million subscribers. They have 466 uploads. That is crazy. So something tells me that the person or people behind this channel do the animations themselves, because in order to create that many uploads, they have to have some type of team or have to be able to do this themselves, because that really would be very expensive. I mean, if you take a calculator and if they have 466 uploads times, let's just say it was $200. Let's just say $200 per video. I mean, they would have put $93,000 into this now, and that's just on average. It could have been more than that, could have been a little bit less than that, but here's the thing. So the channel has been around for since 2014, so that's 7 years. Look at the money that they're making per month. They're making anywhere from $3,000 to almost $50,000 a month, and per year they're making, and I always just go like on a channel like this, I'm not really sure what the CPM would be on this. I would say it would probably wouldn't be at a max level, so it would probably be somewhere around the 300,000 mark. They're making $300,000 just from doing this. And however many videos they're putting out, if we go back to the channel, that would really help us get an idea of how many videos they're uploading per month. So 1 week, so 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks. So it looks like they're doing 2 videos a week. So that puts things into perspective that you could outsource this. And let's just say you're outsourcing this and it costs $200 a video. So 200, and you're putting out 2 videos per week times 4 weeks is 8 videos. So you're going to multiply that by 8. So you're going to be spending $1,600 a month on outsourcing this. But in return, they're making around $30,000. $30,000 a month from this. So would you spend $1,000 to $2,000 outsourcing content to make $30,000 a month? Absolutely. So the numbers add up, the numbers make sense, and that's why they've carried this channel for so long. They would not continue putting out videos like this if they weren't making money and being profitable. I haven't even checked if they are actually doing any kind of affiliate marketing as well. It looks like they, oh yeah, absolutely. So go to NordVPN. They have sponsors. So right here, they're hitting this one really hard. And then they're also the Simple History books. They're sending people to Amazon. So they're Amazon. They have t-shirts right here, Teespring. I mean, they are making a lot of money from their affiliate offers as well. So like that NordVPN down here, they literally worked that into a cartoon right here. Look at this. They have Simple History is brought to you by NordVPN. So that it's a sponsored, and you can come through here and they actually have put this in here. And over here, I like this part. They put it into a little cartoon.
So go to nordvpn.com/simplehistory.
That's really cool. They actually use their cartoon. It just kind of has some humor, right? And they're sending you to NordVPN, and they're making a lot of affiliate commissions. They actually could be making even more money than YouTube ads, which I would actually be willing to bet on affiliate marketing and offering their own products. So that is the first one. I actually have a bonus one for you as well. So let's actually go over here and check out another channel. This one, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Kurzgesagt in a nutshell, but they have 16 million subscribers. I'm sure that most of their subscribers don't know how to pronounce their name as well, but you can come over here and just sample out.
Which is speeding around a burning sphere 1,000,000 times bigger than itself. But our star is only one in billions in the Milky Way.
So they're doing a lot of science type videos. So it's not even necessarily has to be history based. It can be current science. But they're even doing 2 chapters from a book, like a summary. The virus shouldn't exist, but it does. That no wonder why that one got 15 million views from 1 month ago. I like to look. So their best stuff, they have their best ones right here. So I'm optimistic. Why alien life would be our doom. Whole worms, loneliness, the side effects of vaccines, the deadliest being on planet Earth. And then the existential crisis playlist, universe and space. So it looks like they do a lot of human, and they do extraterrestrial alien stuff and planets and space type stuff. So they kind of stick to that. But then look over here, medicine and biology. They do the virus type stuff. Yeah, we saw that. And science. So it's literally a science-based channel that you can almost, this one is pretty broad, I would say. It's not sub-niched down. And they're pulling off millions of views. I like to go and click on the videos section and just see what kind of videos, views they're getting. So a week ago, they posted this video, 2 chapters from our new book. It's a new book. They've got such a following that they were able to pull off 1.1 million views from their own book, a summary and preview of their own book, and they got 1 million views. This is the power of they do have passionate subscribers. And from 2 weeks ago, they got 7 million views, 15 million views a month ago. So they're getting millions of views on every single video. And you can go and outsource and hire someone to do these animations for you. Again, this is not going to be one of those channels, if you're going to outsource it, that's going to be on the budget side of things. You're going to actually need a little bit of a budget to pull these off. But I wanted to share these with you just to show you that these channels exist and they are making a lot of money. We can come through here and check this one out as well. So this one has only 147 uploads. So, one fourth or 25% of what the other one had. They've been around for just 1 more year longer even. And they have 1.5 billion views. They have 16 million subscribers and they have an A score. So they're making upwards of $170,000 a month. And I called this $1 million YouTube cash cow channel ideas because the other one has been around for 7 years and is making $300,000 to $500,000 a year. So just in 2 years, they're making $1 million off their channel. In this case, these guys are making almost $2 million a year right here. And I would be willing to bet that because this is science-based that they're going to be closer to the higher end over here. So I would be pretty confident in saying that they're making $2 million a year from this channel. You can come through here. They're getting 100,000 subscribers right there. Per month, they're getting 300,000 subscribers added, which is insane. 10,000 people, over 10,000 daily subscribers to the channel. They get 1.5 million views per day. 10 million per week and 42 million views for the last 30 days. So this channel is just on a steady growth pattern. They're continuing to grow, and this is just really, really insane how cool it would be to have a channel like this. So hope you enjoyed the content today. If you did, please hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more channel reveals and more ideas on how you can make money with YouTube and in so many other ways. I'll see you in the next video.